On these images, you have the rare opportunity to observe a cell division. To be exact, the division of two dileptuses, dilepti, and it's still up to debate if it's one or two cells. This video is not about the species, more like a little insight to what cell division is and how does it work. This dileptus is currently undergoing a transverse division that is called fission. In this process, the cell's macronucleus is divided individually. The tail part of the mother cell will get separated and will form the daughter cell. On these images, we are observing the non-sexual reproduction of a dileptus. So it's basically cloning itself, hence there is no new genetical material here. Actually, it's a very interesting topic to think about. Is the daughter cell the mother cell? If they are free-swimming far from each other, which one is which? They are genetically identical. Some time ago, I saw an article on the internet where a company offers a service where they can clone your cat, dog, whatever pet you have by artificially growing a genetically identical animal from the samples you provide. So if your pet dies due to aging or whatever, you can replace it with the same new clone which will have the same phenotypes, the same color, same visual traits, characteristics. Will that be your old pet to you, or would you categorize it as a completely new individual? Apart from these superficial similarities, that is not a non-sexual cell division, it's just an interesting thought to think about. Because in both cases there is no new genetical variation. It's technically a clone. This fission, cell division, is a rapid process relatively. Usually takes about a couple of minutes, and that is one of the factors why this is a rare sight. Let's see how these cells divide step by step. It's only 5 steps total. First, the DNA replication. The genetical material is replicated within the cell, and each one of the DNA molecule gets attached to the cell membrane at the opposite ends of the cell. Second, the cell elongation. The cell elongates and creates a septum, which is our third point. Third, the septum formation. The septum is dividing the cell into 2 distinct compartments. Fourth, the cell division. The cell membranes start to pinch off, creating 2 cells. Fifth, the last step where 2 cells are finally separated. Let's rewind to this magical moment once again. Now I have one new Dileptis in my collection. Thank you for watching this special episode with me. I hope you enjoyed your time here, and if you did so, I would appreciate your like or comment under this video. It keeps this channel reach further. And if you want to see more similar explorations like this, click on the subscribe button. It's totally free and supports this channel via the algorithm. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Francis signs out.